Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, England-born Brie Grierson is set to create history for Jamaica when the Sunshine Girls take on South Africa in the opening game of their three-match series on Saturday at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Jermaine Brown reports.
27-year-old Brie Grierson is poised to make history for the Sunshine Girls when she makes her debut in the upcoming three-match home series against South Africa. Grierson will become only the second overseas-born as well as second England-born netballer to represent Jamaica at the senior level. She joins a fellow English-born player, Rhea Dixon, in accomplishing the feat. Dixon joined the Sunshine Girls in 2023. Grierson and Dixon are also teammates at the newly created Nottingham Forest netball team in the Netball Super League in England. She says the inspiration to play for Jamaica was always close by.
Yeah, definitely. She's definitely paved the way, I think. And even today, my dad and I were speaking about her and, you know, just huge amounts of respect to be the first person to do that. You know, it's not easy to come to a country you're not necessarily familiar with and you don't know anyone, and just, you know, immerse yourself in that journey. So yeah, so much respect for her for doing it first, and we've known each other for a long time, so she's been, you know, encouraging me to do it for a while and, you know, saying, come on, just do it, get along. So yeah, she was definitely an inspiration.
Grierson, who played for England at all youth age groups, sought to make it clear, however, that she didn't choose to represent Jamaica because she had no other options.
Yeah, I mean, I'm Jamaican, so I guess the question is, why is it taking me so long to make the decision? I think for me, obviously, it's an unknown entity. You know, what training would be like, how I would get here, etc. But I was really fortunate enough to train with the girls and meet the staff and stuff when they came over to England, and as soon as I trained with them, I knew it was something I wanted to be a part of.
But what makes her Jamaican?
Yeah, so my dad was born here. He was born in Mucka in Clarendon and moved over as an early teen to England, and, you know, met my mum over there who's English, and they had me, and they've always made sure that, you know that I'm Jamaican. So like I said, I've been coming since I was 2, probably the earliest they could get me on a flight. I remember actually the first beach I saw was Jamaica. So then when I went back to England, I asked why the water looked that colour. But they had to explain to me that not all water looks like the Jamaican water.
Meanwhile, Grierson believes her style of play will suit Jamaica.
I play wing attack and goal attack. I favour wing attack more. I think I'm quite creative. And I love to look long and feed long, especially to a holding shooter. And obviously, we know the Jamaicans have so many options for tall holding shooters. So I think I'll add to that. And
as for playing for the Sunshine Girls, Grierson has set the bar high, starting with the series against South Africa.
I think for the team, the athletes, and like I said, the amount of talent and athleticism and the team that they have, there's no reason why at the next World Cup and Commonwealth Games we can't win a gold. So I think for me, the long-term aim is to definitely make the squads for that and then, yeah, win a gold medal.
The Sunshine Girls will take on South Africa on January 18, 22 and 25 at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.